457 BC plus 2300 is not 2301, because there is no year zero between 1 BC and 1 AD. When calculating prophetic timelines, this missing year must always be considered. The prophecy in Daniel 8:14 states, "Unto 2300 days, then shall the sanctuary be cleansed." Using the day-year principle, those 2300 days represent 2300 literal years. If we begin in 457 BC, the same starting point confirmed in Daniel 9 for the decree to rebuild Jerusalem, and count forward 2300 years, we do not end in 2301 AD. We end in 1844 AD, and here's why. The timeline crosses from BC to AD, but the historical calendar goes from 1 BC directly to 1 AD without a year zero in between. This missing year must be subtracted. So while 457 plus 1844 equals 2301 mathematically, we subtract 1 year because of the absence of year zero, giving us exactly 2300 years. This is confirmed by the Gregorian calendar, which inherited this structure from the Julian calendar, both of which skip from 1 BC to 1 AD without a zero in between. If we were to insert a fictional year zero, every AD event would be shifted by 1 year. Jesus would be born in 2 BC instead of 1 BC, the crucifixion timeline would move, AD 70 would become AD 71, and so on. The implications would affect everything from the decree of Artaxerxes to the fall of the Roman Empire. But the world's calendars and historians agree there is no year zero. Therefore, the 2300 years from 457 BC land squarely in 1844 AD. If you ignore this and place the event in 1845, you would break the prophetic connection to the cleansing of the heavenly sanctuary and the end-time message proclaimed by the remnant movement that arose in that very year, 1844. The mathematics is not wrong, it's precise. It just requires you to acknowledge the historical fact. There is no year zero.